What would the vulture do in the presence of the king of the birds? When the two battle, which will win, eagle or vulture? Both the eagle and the vulture are prey birds and powerful raptors. These two bird species are primarily recognized for their hunting abilities. Eagle is any of many large, heavy-beaked, big-footed birds of prey belonging to Accipitridae, order Accipitriformes. Some animals graze on large prey, such as monkeys and sloths, putting them at the top of the food chain. Eagles have incredible vision and can locate prey up to 2 kilometers away. Vulture is any of 22 enormous carrion-eating birds found primarily in the tropics and subtropics. Condors are among the 7 New World vulture species, and the lammergeier and griffins are among the 15 Old World species. Even though many individuals in the two groups appear to be connected, they are only distantly linked. First, we will talk about their size and description of these two birds. An eagle's build and flight characteristics are similar to a vulture's, but it has a fully feathered, frequently crested head and strong feet with enormous bent claws. Eagles come in a variety of sizes. The little eagle is one of the smallest species, measuring approximately 17.7 to 21.7 inches. The sea eagle, on the other hand, is around 36 to 42 inches in size, with a wingspan of 72 to 96 inches. Sight is the most powerful of the eagle's senses. The eyes are huge, taking up nearly half of the head. An eagle's vision is 4 to 5 times that of a human. Eagle eyes are slanted 30 degrees out from the center of the face, giving eagles a wider field of vision. Vultures have a heavy physique, a hunched-over stance, and shaggier and looser feathers than other birds. They are usually, but not always, a dull brown or black color all over. Some species have milder underparts, while others have vivid red or deep blue heads and throats. Many vultures have a bald head and, in some cases, a hairless throat. This is assumed to keep their heads clean while feeding within animal bodies, but it may also help them control their body temperature. Vultures have a powerful, hooked beaks that they use to break open corpses. Their wings are exceptionally large compared to other birds, which aids them soaring through the air in quest of food. A turkey vulture, for example, stands around 27 inches tall and has a wingspan of roughly 5.6 feet. The Andean condor and the cinereous vulture are the largest eagles, with wingspans of up to 10 feet, 3.2 meters. Let's talk about their habitat and range. Different species of these birds can be found in various parts of the world. North America, Central America, South America, Eurasia, Australia and its surrounding islands, and Africa are all home to these birds. Some species are found throughout the Northern Hemisphere, while others are restricted to one location. Except for the hardest Arctic regions, different species of eagles can be found in almost every ecosystem on the planet. These birds can be found anywhere, from the hottest tropical regions to the coldest Arctic tundras. They live in various environments, including dry woods, rainforests, mountain forests, meadows, grasslands, and deserts. Some species have been observed hunting in agricultural areas and farms. Vultures can be found on every continent except Antarctica and Australia. They are, however, in danger of becoming extinct in several areas. Thus, this distribution may change in the near future. The larger vulture species require a habitat in which they may see or smell carrion while flying across the sky. This means their natural habitats are mainly grasslands or savannas, while some live in open mountain regions. In suburban environments, certain smaller vulture species can be found. Do you about their diet? Eagles, like all birds of prey, eat meat. They solely eat meat and do not consume any plant things. They consume rats, mice, rabbits, squirrels, snakes, fish, lizards, birds, and other small creatures. Because of their size, these birds can pursue larger prey than any other bird. Deer fawns, antelopes, raccoons, kinkajous, porcupines, cranes, seals, bobcats, swans, and other animals are examples. Vultures eat virtually solely carrion. They typically feed in huge groups, frequently alongside other vulture species and carrion eaters. Even though these animals squabble a lot, they can strip the body of the largest mammal in a matter of minutes. Let's talk about their behavior. Behavior varies from species to species, as it does with most creatures. Many eagle species are solitary, hunting alone. Some creatures mate for life and are monogamous. In these circumstances, the birds frequently share an area that they defend against other eagles and potential predators. They have excellent vision and spend most of their time soaring and hunting for food. Eagles build their nests in trees or on cliffs, and they are fairly enormous. Incubation times differ between species. Both parents incubate at periods and constantly care for the chicks. The most distinguishing feature of vultures is their soaring behavior. The sun warms the air as well as the earth. As a result, the air rises in upward currents known as aeroethermals. Aerovultures use thermals to their advantage by flying into the rising air, expanding their wings, and soaring to tremendous heights without beating their wings. Once in the air, they can identify carrion with their keen eyesight, while certain species rely on their keen sense of smell. Vultures are said to create lifelong connections with only one other individual. They reach sexual maturity between the ages of 5 and 7. Vultures can live for up to 25 years. What would happen if a vulture went up against an eagle? Who would triumph? The vulture may be larger than the eagle but lacks its features and hunting abilities. You'll notice that the eagle is superior. The eagle is a skilled hunter, having taken down numerous enormous animals and birds. The eagle's powerful talons are utilized to kill large creatures such as deer, monkeys, and foxes. The eagle may use the same powerful talons and experience to kill or severely damage the vulture. Furthermore, because the eagle has high flight speeds, the vulture would have nowhere to flee. Do you know? The golden eagle can glide through the air at 320 kilometers per hour. Vultures are gregarious birds that fly in groups, whereas eagles fly alone. Unlike vultures, eagles do not avoid inclement weather and will frequently fly on stormy and wet days. Vultures have incredible sniffing abilities. However, certain vultures, such as black vultures, use their vision to detect food because they have good eyesight. They can detect corpses from 4 to 5 kilometers away. Eagles stand out in this category since they have one of the clearest eyesight in the animal kingdom. Their eyesight is significantly superior to that of any other species of bird of prey, with 25th vision and the capacity to see UV light. While the eagle is the national bird and symbol of the United States, no other country has picked the vulture to signify its regal position. Can you figure out why? An eagle may overpower a vulture by using their tremendous hunting skills and muscular legs. The eagle can also use its formidable talons to cause significant injury or even death to the vulture. Conversely, vultures cannot flee from the eagle due to the vulture versus eagle flying disparity. Eagles have a more muscular and straight flight than vultures. Thank you for sticking with me until the end. Thank you for viewing Sweet Animal Vibes. If you learned something new today,